All right, John Mason Brink. We are excited to be at Milwaukee Tool Pipeline 2025. This is such a blast. My head is spinning from seeing all the cool tools out here on the floor. I had a chance to visit the headquarters yesterday. I've been on this tour in the past, but just to see the investment and the technology and the prototyping and testing, it's really impressive. And what I've heard over the last couple of days is this investment in the trades. And I'm here with Shane Moll, Group President of Milwaukee Tool, and you gave such an eloquent kind of recapture of that investment talk, that message from Milwaukee Tool. And you've said, you don't invest in center field score like advertising in Yankee Stadium or NASCAR stuff. Instead, you take that money, or the money that could have been spent for that, into the trades, and I think that's really impressive. And can you talk about that message you were sending this morning?
Yeah, the way that we really embody that internally at Milwaukee is it is part of who we are. That commitment to the trades is not a campaign or a slogan or a tagline. It's really the lifeblood of our company. Mm-hmm. Not only the lifeblood of us, but also the future of the industry. So we feel it's important for us to have that engagement and that partnership with the trades to better understand what they do every day. Mm-hmm. And we do feel we get invited into the craft, into their work, and that's a big obligation to us to gain that respect, to work alongside the trades in a craft that many times they've been doing it for years, decades, and for us to work side by side to help them solve problems is really what we do, and it's the passion of the company.
And Mechanical Hub had such a great relationship with Milwaukee Tool over the years. We were talking about being at one of the first, NPSs that they were called, New Product Symposium, back in 2008 or 7?
Yes, 2008.
Yeah, and it's just, like I said, it's impressive to see the investment not only in technology and the trades, but also American manufacturing. Talk about that a little bit.
Yes, we know it's important for us to listen to the trades and what they're asking for, and in a lot of cases they're asking for American-made hand tools, whether it be hand tools or safety products. So we've invested heavily a lot in Southeast Wisconsin, as well as in Mississippi, over 7 manufacturing locations today in the U.S. We like to say we've been around since 1924. So this is not a initiative or campaign for us. We've been manufacturing products in the U.S. for 100 years, and we're just continuing to invest more and more based on what the trades are asking for. And it's great to reinvest back into our communities here in Southeast Wisconsin as well.
Yeah. Well, I just want to thank you for the invitation to come out and see all this stuff. You guys have been a great partner with us, and we just appreciate what Milwaukee Tool does with our trade partners and the tradespeople in it. So thank you.
It's our pleasure, and thank you for the many years that you've come to visit with us. We greatly appreciate it.
All right. Thanks, Shane. Appreciate it.
Thank you.